Hey loves, okay, let's do a fun coloured brown smoky eye using a pink metallic liquid lipstick. It's super easy, so I'm going to show you how I did it. So I started out with one of my favourite pressed eyeshadows. This is the shade Gingerly, taking the blending brush and I'm buffing this all over my crease, up slightly onto my brow bone, over and over and over. Then I'm picking up the fluffy crease brush and just intensifying that colour a little bit in the same place. So I'm blending back and forth, windscreen wiper motion, and then I'm going to go in with a beautiful rich chocolate brown shade to really intensify the outer V, outer corner and crease. This is called Marvellous. It's a lovely matte chocolate brown. Just using the same brush and applying that and blending as I go. So blend, 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 and then I'm going to go back in with that beautiful caramel shade Gingerly and use that blending brush again just to soften the edge to make sure it's nice and blown out and blended. So I'm still blending, soften everything and mixing it all together. Then I'm going to deepen up that outer V even more with a matte black shade. This is called Legendary, and I'm using the crease brush to really pack on and intensify the darkness on the outer corner. So I'm taking some under the lower lash line, so I'm taking it in the crease, outer V, just building up that black so that it gives it a nice rich colour. I'm blending and kind of mixing together as I go, but to make sure that everything's really blended and soft, I've picked up a fluffy crease brush just to re-blend over the top. I've got my liquid lipstick. I'm not using it on my lips. I'm going to apply it to my eyes using a flat synthetic brush. This is the cream shadow brush, so I pop some on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to kind of swipe it and press and pat that over the centre, kind of inner corner centre of my eyelid. I absolutely love this hack of using a metallic liquid lipstick or any liquid lipstick on my eyelid. I love how the colours layer. So I'm blending the pink in with the other colours, just using my fingertip, using the crease brush to just soften the edge and blend them together, and then a clean fluffy brush to soften and blend the inner corner so there aren't any harsh lines. And again, popping a little bit more pink on so that it really, really pops. Then I'm taking a shimmery kind of cream champagne metallic just to brighten up that inner corner, inner third of the eye, just popping that over the top. I'm even applying a little bit with my finger. I love the kind of control that I get and the fact that I can really build up the colour and blend at the same time with my finger. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the liquid lipstick underneath the lower lash line so that the look kind of all ties together, and blend that out. Next up is one of my favourite eyeliner pencils. This is a really beautiful soft metallic kind of eggplant aubergine colour. I'm putting it lower and upper lash line in my waterline, just lining really the whole entire eye to give a nice little pop of purple colour. Then I'm going to now start finishing off with mascara. First coat I'm going to use is the black Epic mascara. It's my absolute favourite. So I'm going to apply that to my lower and upper lashes like normal, and then I'm going to let that dry. So while it's drying, I'm going to just apply that same liquid lipstick to my lips. How pretty is this colour? I'm absolutely in love. It's so, so beautiful. Whilst my lashes are dry, do my lips, and then I'm going to go back in with another coat of mascara, but this time purple mascara. I love coloured mascara. I'm such a huge fan. I'm going to pop this purple on top of the black, which creates this beautiful kind of jewelled rich tone. So, so easy. Love using a liquid lipstick on my eyes. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so, so much for watching. I will speak to you guys soon. Take care.